Hello, my friends. Do you know that creating video content has become more popular by the day, especially because this is a very sought-after format? This happens because watching videos is a practical and easy way to learn about different topics. For this reason, there's a high search volume for videos. According to YouTube itself, 1 billion hours of content are watched every day by more than 1 billion users. That's why a lot of people have been working on implementing this strategy, whether as their main source of income or a tool to promote their business. However, for those who are just starting out, there are some questions on how to create a YouTube channel, the main network to organically distribute videos. So, to help you better understand how this platform works, I have come up with a complete step-by-step video guide so you can start your channel right away. So in this video you're going to learn how to create a YouTube channel. To create one, open any web browser like Google Chrome. Here type in YouTube. Tap to open YouTube's website. OK. Click on Sign In on the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your personal or corporate Gmail account, if you already have one. If you don't have an account, press Create Account. So since that I have the email address, let me type in so that I sign in. But please, if you new member, don't forget to subscribe on this channel. OK, then enter the password and press Next. OK, now it's the time to create your channel. On the upper right corner, if you already have an account, it's likely that you see your image or the logo if you've set a profile picture. If you don't have a photo, you'll see a light blue circle with the first letters of your name. Click the circle and then My Channel. Here is the channel. Now let me show to you how to customize your channel. Now this page will open up that Welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest new insider tips. OK, now we can see this is what we call YouTube Studio. Here on the channel customization, we have some features like layout, branding, and basic info. So when I click on branding here, edit the images according to what you wish. If it's a personal account, you can add pictures of you. However, if your goal is to create a YouTube channel for your brand, remember to customize it with your logo. Even we have basic info. Here it's where you have add information about your channel, social media links like Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. OK, let me click back to the branding. Here let me add my logo. If you don't know how to design a logo, let me know in the comment section so that I create the video. OK. Here let me resize it. OK, after you add channel art. Channel art, recommended size is 2560 x 1414 and maximum of 6 megabytes. You can use Canova to create it for free. Even I will try to make a video about it, but let me show to you a simple trick here. Open Google and search Canova. Here is the website, sign in with your Google account and here type in YouTube channel art. OK, now here select any of your choose and start customize it. It's really free after you download it and add it here in the banner image. Again, you can upload this watermark. Look for YouTube. You can add links to your channel. If you want to share with your viewers, it's like you can add more than 5 links. Like let me hear Facebook, the link is www.facebook. Again, another on Twitter, and the link is www.twitter.com. After, click on Publish. Now you can see it's looking so good. After that, go here and tap on Monetization. Here it's where you can struggle for becoming a YouTube partner, is if you want to earn some money from your videos, get creator support and more. For that you will need to make 1,000 required subscribers. 4,000 required watch hours, and after that you good to go. So I will be making videos on how you can do it and complete all those subscribers and watch time hours. So here on dashboard you can go here on create and start uploading your videos on YouTube. You can see these added links, and I have no video right now even with 0 subscribers, so just subscribe to this channel. You go and learn more and be apply with YouTube. So thank you for watching. We meet in the next video. Have a nice time.